Let's talk about Azure Compute Services. Azure Compute is an on-demand computing service that provides computing resources such as disks, processors, memory, networking, and operating systems. Few of the offerings are virtual machines, app services, container instance, Azure Kubernetes Service, Azure Virtual Desktop. Azure Virtual Machines, VM, are software emulations of physical computers. It includes virtual processor, memory, storage, and networking. It's an infrastructure as a service offering that provides total control and customization. Virtual machine scale sets provide a load-balanced opportunity to automatically scale resources. Scale out when resource needs increase. Scale in when resource needs are lower. Vertical scaling adds more memory or CPU to the same virtual machine, whereas horizontal scaling adds an extra or more virtual machines of same size. Availability set is a group of 2 or more VMs to ensure that at least one is available during planned or unplanned maintenance events. It's a combination of fault domains and update domains. Each virtual machine in your availability set has an update domain and fault domain assigned. A virtual machine can be on maximum 3 fault domains and 20 update domains as of now. Fault domains indicate the group of virtual machines that share common power source and network switch, so if there is a potential physical hardware failures, network outages, or power interruptions, then your virtual machine which is available on a different fault domain is still available. Update domains indicate the group of virtual machines and underlying physical hardware that can be rebooted at the same time, ensuring availability of some virtual machines during a planned maintenance, which is like regular updates. In this example, your virtual machine, replica copies of your virtual machine, is placed on 3 fault domains and 6 update domains, so if fault domain 0 has a problem, your fault domain 1 virtual machine can be used. Similarly, if the server on which your virtual machine is placed is updated and rebooting, then your virtual machine on a different update domain will be used. Azure Virtual Desktop is a desktop and app virtualization that runs in the cloud. Create a full desktop virtualization environment both for personal use and pooled shared desktops. Reduce risk of resource being left behind as the desktop is in cloud and not with the user personally. Allows multiple concurrent user sessions and gives users a familiar Windows 10 or Windows 11 experience. Azure containers are a lightweight, virtualized environment that does not require operating system management, and can respond to changes on demand. There is Azure Container Instances, which is a platform as a service offering that runs a container or pod of containers in Azure. Azure Container Apps, which is a platform as a service offering like container instances that can load balance and scale. And Azure Kubernetes Service, which is an orchestration service for containers with distributed architectures and large volumes of containers. Azure Functions, a PaaS offering that supports serverless compute operations. Event-based code runs when called without requiring server infrastructure during inactive periods. For example, process file uploads by running a code when a file is uploaded on a storage. Run a scheduled task by running a cleanup task on your drives on a specific time or interval. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.